president has said often that people who like their insurance would be able to keep it. But now that millions are seeing their plans canceled because those plans don't meet the standards of Obamacare, the president said this today by way of explanation.
If you had one of these substandard plans before the Affordable Care Act became law, and you really liked that plan, you were able to keep it. But ever since the law was passed, if insurers decided to downgrade or cancel these substandard plans, what we said under the law is you've got to replace them with quality comprehensive coverage.
In her testimony today, Secretary Sebelius said, quote, "I told the president that we were ready to go. Clearly, I was wrong." One of the mysteries is why the secretary would give the all clear after the system failed repeatedly during those tests before its debut. Sharyl Attkisson has dug up new information on this.
We've learned the website failed with a small test pool of 200 to 300 people that included employees from the government and insurance companies. The government employees worked at their own computers and desks within the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, which oversaw the HealthCare implementation. According to sources familiar with the process, CMS employees were provided fake personal information to enter into HealthCare.gov rather than their own data and were given a date that testing would begin. However, on that date, the employees were told it was being postponed. When the testing finally took place in late September, the testers started trying to create an application. Just a couple of pages into the process, everything ground to a stop, says one source. It froze, it couldn't go forward, it crashed. A couple of days later, testers tried again and had a similar outcome. They were never able to successfully browse plans for cost estimates. It was unequivocally clear from testing this wasn't ready, says a source close to the testing. The account is in stark contrast to the testimony yesterday from Marilyn Tavenner, the head of CMS. She testified under oath she had no idea prior to October 1st that the problems were so bad.
We had tested the website and we were comfortable with its performance. The volume issue and the creation of account issues was not anticipated and obviously took us by surprise and did not show up in testing.
One question this raises, Scott, is was the head of CMS unaware of results of testing that took place inside her own agency just days before the launch?
Sharyl Attkisson with the new reporting tonight. Sharyl, thank you very much.